How to private your Facebook accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video I'll show you the way on how you can private your Facebook account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to make your Facebook account private, the process is very simple, but keep in mind that unlike TikTok and unlike Instagram, which offers you a direct toggle and a single toggle to make your account and switch them from private to public, Facebook does not have such type of toggles. So instead what you can do is you can customize a few settings manually in order to make your account private. To do that, we'll just open up our Facebook app. Once we open up our Facebook app, tap on the three bars on the top right corner. Keep in mind, if you're on iOS, these three bars could be at the bottom right, so just keep that in mind. Once you do so, over here you can go to settings and privacy, and you'll find the option that says privacy shortcuts. Just tap on it. As you do so, you can see this section called privacy. Here you want to select the option that says see more privacy settings at the bottom. Once you tap on see more privacy settings, so you can see check a few important settings, manage your profile, and so on. So basically, if you want to make your account private, you have to review all these settings and make them private in as minimum as possible. For example, you can see who can see your future posts. If you want to make it private, you can set it to your friends, your public, your friends accept, and only me. But if you want to make it completely, then you can select only me. Even if friends won't be able to view your future posts, so just keep that in mind. And you can also see limit who can see past posts as well. You can see who can see the pages, people, and everything you follow. So currently it is set to public, but you can also set this to only me so that nobody else will be able to see what kind of pages you actually follow. Once you do so, you can see who can see your future reels. So currently it is set to public. Now reels is basically a new feature which is added to Facebook also. So you want to make sure that it is set to friends only, or friends except some of the friends. As I said, you have to set it to as minimum privacy as possible, and tap on who can look you up with using email address. So if you want people to search you with email address, you can set everyone, or else you can set only me over here. Who can look you up using the phone number, currently set to everyone, and everything else. You can also go to check a few important settings, and you may be able to make all these settings private. But as I said earlier, there isn't a single toggle like Instagram and TikTok that offers you a way to make your account switch them from private to public. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.